Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Singapore-based trader Liu Guan, who entered the world of stock trading in 2019, quietly became the third largest individual Tesla shareholder. In fact, he is known to amass one of the single biggest stakes in Elon Musk's company. Today, we'll be taking a look at how a Singapore trader became Tesla's hidden billionaire. But first, do be sure to subscribe to our channel with the notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Number 5. Who is Liu Guan? Currently, the world knows Liu Guan as a retail trader who made an astonishing $7 billion, but before we get to how he actually made that money, let's get to know a bit more about him. After receiving a master's from Columbia and a law degree from New York Law School, Guan started a company with his wife with less than $1 million back in 1989. Today, the Indonesian-born trader is the chairman of the $11.1 billion IT provider She International. But despite sitting on such a fortune, Guan hadn't attracted the spotlight until he became the third largest individual Tesla shareholder, just behind Elon Musk and fellow billionaire Larry Ellison. Number 4. Why Tesla? Elon Musk's famous automaker Tesla is accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy with electric vehicles, solar panels, and roof tiles, as well as battery energy storage from home to grid scale. The California-based company has a market cap of $602 billion and made headlines when its shares soared over the past 12 months. This also explains the reason behind Musk's net worth rising by an enormous $126 billion since March 2020, which means that he's currently 500% wealthier than he was a year ago, as he holds around 147 million shares in the company and hence derives the bulk of his enormous fortune from his 21% stake in Tesla. In early 2021, D.E. Shaw Capital Holdings held 145,521,000 shares of Tesla with a total value of over $1.6 billion, and it seems like the California-based automaker hasn't stopped attracting top-list investors since then. As for Forbes, Tesla shares have skyrocketed more than 1,440% since March this year, which obviously worked out amazingly well for Liu Guan. Number 3. Guan's investor playbook. Initially, Guan hadn't picked up on investing until 2019 when he decided to take some calculated risks and pour money into several big companies such as Baidu, NIO, and Nvidia. But the Singaporean trader had no intentions of stopping here as he continued taking even bigger risks. By early 2020, he held 2.3 million Tesla shares that were worth at least $1.2 billion at the time. However, in March last year, when equity markets tumbled, Guan almost lost everything, with most of his stake nearly wiped out in a cascade of margin calls. After being forced to sell a vast majority of his Tesla stock portfolio, he took a page from his investor playbook and put another plan into action, selling the rest of his shares as well, and then using the proceeds to buy long-term call options on Tesla. Fortunately, Guan's smart move worked, and the value of his holdings rose to $4 billion, then $5 billion, and now to more than $7 billion. According to Liu's bank statements shared with Forbes in September 2021, the billionaire trader owns 6.3 million shares of Tesla and over 1.8 million in-the-money Tesla call options. This fact was also backed up by Liu's own tweet from September, which said more than 6.2 million Tesla shares. Still buying more shares slowly. I will rise and fall with Tesla. Number 2. Elon Musk's fanboy. In case it wasn't obvious, Liu Guan is a firm believer in Elon Musk's company, and unsurprisingly, his faith in Tesla is derived from the admiration he has for the CEO himself. Musk, who's currently the richest person on the planet, seems to be the main inspiration behind Guan's insanely profitable investments in Tesla. I regarded myself as Elon's fanboy, the 66-year-old investor once said. I would say he is the only person I really respect on Earth. In September of this year, Liu tweeted about the time he met his idol at the SpaceX headquarters. he shared a picture with the caption, "I met with Elon Musk in his SpaceX office on October 10th, 2019. We talked about Einstein relativity, and I forgot to ask him about SpaceX. See photo. In this world, he's the only person I wanted to meet. If I have a chance next time, I will ask him." This is just one of the many social media posts where the Singapore trader has expressed his loyalty and devotion towards the SpaceX billionaire and his vehicle manufacturing company. Number 1. Will he ever sell? Has Ko Guan ever been tempted to cash in his billion-dollar profits and move on? In simple words, no, and it seems like he won't be selling his Tesla shares anytime soon either. According to one of his latest tweets, Ko Guan's long-term plan includes making even bigger profits on call options until he recollects 12 million shares, which was the size of his stake in March of 2020. Another one of his goals is to accumulate $100 billion or more to fund and support a new type of collective society fueled by his KQID time engine to make free education, healthcare, and material comfort a real possibility for the underprivileged. And that wraps up another great video, which we hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and also check out the other 2 videos on your screen. I'll see you guys again soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.